Ginger has been prized for centuries, not just as a spice, but as a potent natural medicine. Modern science now confirms what ancient cultures have long known about this incredible root. Let's dive into 10 amazing health benefits of ginger that can transform your well-being. First, ginger is a powerhouse for digestion, helping to stimulate saliva and speed up stomach emptying. If you struggle with bloating or chronic indigestion, a small amount of ginger can provide fast relief. It is also world-renowned for its ability to combat nausea, especially for motion sickness and morning sickness. The secret lies in gingerol, the main bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Because of these properties, ginger is exceptionally effective at reducing muscle pain and soreness after exercise. For those living with osteoarthritis, regular ginger consumption can help manage joint pain and improve mobility. Beyond physical pain, ginger is a massive supporter of your cardiovascular system. It has been shown to significantly lower blood sugar levels and improve various heart disease risk factors. Regular intake can lead to a major reduction in LDL cholesterol and blood triglycerides. When it comes to your immune system, ginger acts as a natural shield against infections. Its antimicrobial properties help the body fight off harmful bacteria and viruses like the common cold. For women, ginger can be a life-changer, offering relief from menstrual pain as effectively as common medication. New research also suggests that ginger can protect against age-related decline in brain function. The antioxidants it contains help inhibit inflammatory responses that occur in the brain. If you are looking to manage your weight, ginger may help by increasing metabolism and reducing feelings of hunger. Incorporating it into your life is easy. Try fresh ginger tea, or add it to your favorite smoothies and stir-fries. Small daily changes lead to big results. Start your journey to better health with the power of ginger today.